Dear student, welcome back to our NIUBS Home School. Hope you are doing well at home. I am Shuli Shaha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Student, today I would like to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Student, you know that in previous class we have already discussed chapter 1. Today we will discuss creative question 2. In previous class I gave you creative question 1. Today we will discuss creative question 2. So student, let's get started our class. Home science class creative question 2. You can get this question from your textbook also. Question number 2, creative question 2. Question A. How many divisions are there in the internal space of a home and what are they? B. What do you mean by informal place? C. What is the home environment at picture 2? Explain. D. Home environment at picture 1 is the main obstacle to healthy development of family members. Explain. Student, there are 2 pictures for you. You have to answer these questions, these 4 questions based on these 2 pictures. So, follow this picture very carefully, student. Number 1, A. How many divisions are there in the internal space of a home and what are they? The answer of this question, A. There are 3 divisions of the internal space of a home. They are as follows: formal space, informal space, working space. Again, I am telling this question. There are 3 divisions of the internal space of a home. They are as follows: A. 1. Formal space, 2. Informal space, 3. Working space. B. What do you mean by informal place? Place or space? The answer of this question is B. The space within the home where we perform our personal activities is known as informal space or place. The family members use such spaces for carrying out their various personal activities while enjoying some privacy. Informal places include bedroom, study room and dressing room. Number 3. What is the home environment at picture 2? Explain. The answer of this question is, in picture 2, before answering this question you have to follow your picture. A clean and organized kitchen has been shown. Cooking and other activities can be conveniently performed in this kitchen. The cooking utensils and equipment have been neatly stacked. The kitchen room looks hygienic and free of germs. Utensils have been covered with lids and food racks have been used so that the food can be stored properly. A sufficient quantity of water is also available there. There is no scope for domestic animals or birds to enter the place. Overall, the kitchen shown here can be regarded as a clean, hygienic and organized one. So, number 4, home environment at picture 1 is the main obstacle to healthy development of family members. Explained. The answer of this question is, picture 1 depicts the scenario of an unclean kitchen. This is an obstacle to the sound development of the family members. They will be prone to different health problems by taking food that is cooked in such an environment. This would adversely affect their physical growth. The kitchen shown in the picture looks dirty and disorganized. Food items have been kept uncovered. Besides, animals like dog, cat, hens and rats are seen to be loitering about and touching the food and kitchen utensils meant for cooking. Consequently, the environment there is unhygienic and the food items are prone to get contaminated with germs. If the family members take food prepared there, their bodies would be prone to be attacked by diseases. As a result, their proper physical and mental growth cannot be ascertained. Thus, it can be said that the home environment in picture 1 is the major obstacle to the sound development of the family members. Student, it is a creative question 2 for you. If you want, you can make your own answer. I am giving you the simple answer. If you want, you can make your own answer. That is called creative question. Now it is for homework number 2, and your homework will be CBQ, creative question 2, number A and B only. Creative question 2, A and B, and you have to submit your homework on Saturday 27 February, time 9 am to 3 pm. Students, see you in next class.